Because father of trigonometry, study of angles and sides of triangle, alphabet, gamma, phi, psi, xi. Let's sing together so we can learn.
Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel of Oxford Education. In this video we are going to discuss complementary angles, sums based on complementary angles. So here question number 1 is there: if a plus b equal to 90 degree, then prove that the square root of this 10a into 10b plus 10a plus 10a into cot b whole divided by sin a into sec b equal minus sin square b upon cos square a, that is equal to 10a. So here we are given a plus b equal to 90. So now we can say that if a plus b equal to 90 degree, and hence we can replace either a or b. So here we can replace b as a value of b is 90 degree minus a. Done. Now we start with this given left hand side. Given left hand side is square root of this all entire terms 10a into 10b अपॉन पूरा साथ में है प्लस 10a cot b होल डिवाइड बाय sin a sec b माइनस sin square b upon cos square a. So in this given left hand side we will replace this angle b with 90 degree minus a. So this one is square root of 10a as it is, 10b, so replacing b with 90 minus a, 90 degree minus a, plus 10a replacing cot b with 90 degree minus a, whole divided by sin a sec b 90 degree minus a minus sin square b, so 90 degree minus a upon cos square a. Done. Replacing angle b with 90 degree minus a. So when 90 degree minus a, we can replace that angle trigonometric ratio with its complementary angles. So this one is 10a. Now 10 90 minus a, so this 10 trigonometric ratio is converted into its complementary. So complement of 10 is cot. So this one is cot a plus 10a into cot 90 minus a. So complement of cot is 10a divided by sin a as it is, and complement of this sec is cosec a. Sec 90 minus a is nothing but the cosec a, minus this one sin 90 minus a, sin square 90 minus a. So complement of sin is cos, so it's a cos square a upon cos square a. Now simplification. Here it's a 10a into cot a. We know that 10a and cot a are complement of each other, as well as 10a and cot a are reciprocal of each other, है ना. Reciprocal of 10a is cot a, so it's a 10a equal to 1 upon cot a. Now cross multiply it, so we can say that 10a multiplied by cot a equal to 1. So multiplication of two reciprocals equal to 1. So here we can replace this tan A and cot A with 1. Similarly, sin and cosec. Sine and cosec are reciprocal of each other. Sine A is the reciprocal of cosec A. So we can write sine A into cosec A equal to 1. So this tan A into cot A is 1 and this sin A cos A, that will be equal to 1. So this term is 1 plus tan A into tan A, 1 plus tan square A and whole divided by sin A into cosec A, which is 1. तो 1 को डिनोमिनेटर में नहीं लिख रहे हैं, माइनस दिस cos square upon cos square 1, so 1, and here plus 1 minus 1 cut, so it's a square root of tan square A, and square root of tan square A is tan A, that we have to derive. So this is our right hand side. Clear? So this is how you can solve based on complement of angles. Now next question number 2. Same, here we are given sec A equal to 15 by 7, given trigonometric angle sec A equal to 15 by 7, and also we are given that A plus B equal to 90 degree. So here we can replace this A from this equation, A equal to 90 degree minus B. Done? So put this value of A in this equation. So now our sec A is, replacing this A with this result 90 minus B, and that is equal to 15 by 7. So sec 90 minus B, reciprocal of, or we can say complement of sec is cosec, so it's a cosec B. The answer is 15 by 7. Done? One mark question is there. So pause the video and note it down. Okay, now next is question number 3. You have to find the value of this 2 into cos 58 upon sin 32 minus root 3 bracket cos 38 into cosec 52 upon tan 50, tan 60 and tan 75. So you can put the value of tan 60, but this 58, 32, 15, 75, these values are not given. So for that trigonometric ratios, we will use complement of angle. Now here it's a 2 into cos and sin are there. So here we can replace this cos as cos 90 minus 32. So 58 is nothing but the 90 minus 32 upon this sin 32, because this sin and cos are complement of each other, minus root 3 into this cosec, the cos and cosec. So we can convert this cos into sin. So sin and cosec are reciprocal, or you can convert this cosec into sec. So sec and cos both are complement, or we can say reciprocal of each other. So converting this cos as a sin. So here this cos is nothing but the 90 minus 52. 90 minus 52 is 38 into cosec 52 upon tan 60. Value of tan 60 is root 3 and tan 50 is 10 90 minus 75 into, इसको ऐसे रखा, इसको 90 में सब्ट्रैक्ट किया और 1075 as it is, bracket over. Now simplify this. This is equal to 2. Here we have converted this 58 as a 90 minus 32. 90 minus 32 is 58 is there. So why we have converted this 58 into 90 minus 32? Because 90 minus 32 is converted into its complement angle. So now this cos is converted into complement of this cos, which is sine. So this one is sine 90 minus 32 is sine 32 upon sine 32 minus root 3. Now this one cos 90 minus 52. 90 minus 52 is nothing but the 38. So this one is cos 38. But as it is 90 minus 52, this cos is converted into its complement, it's a sin 52 into cosec 52 upon root 3 this 1090 minus 75. So 1015 is nothing but the 1090 minus 75, and this 90 minus angle is converted into its complement, so it's a cot 75. This one is 1075. So simplification, sin 32 cut, so it's a 2 minus root 3. Now here the sin and cosec are complement of each other, not complement. Sin and cosec are reciprocal of each other, so their multiplication is 1. Tan and cot are reciprocal of each other, so their multiplication is 1. So remaining term is 1 upon root 3. Again root 3 cut, it's a 2 minus 1. So our answer is 2 minus 1 is 1. Done. Tan and cot are complement, or we can say reciprocal of each other, so multiplication of that tan and cot is 1. Sin and cosec are reciprocal of each other, so their multiplication is also 1. Now here tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 into multiplication up to tan 89 is equal to 1. That you have to prove. This is prove that sum. Prove that multiplication of tan 1 into tan 2 into tan 3 up to tan 89 is 1. So first we have to rearrange these terms. So here 1 to 89, total 89 terms are there, and they are in multiplication. So we will start with this tan 1. So first we will arrange tan 1 with tan 89. First term and last term, combining these two terms in a bracket, into the second term tan 2 and second last term, which is tan 88. Done. Similarly we can put tan 3 and tan 87 together. तो ऐसे जो पेयर है कहाँ तक बनेंगे? टोटल 89 टर्म्स आर देयर, so total 44 pairs are there. So this will continue up to 10 44 into 10 46, है ना. ये 1 2 3 अप टू 44 तक जाएगा, और 87 89 88 87 डिक्रीज होते 86 तक आएगा, और लास्ट में एक सिंगल टर्म बाकी बचेगी, दैट विल बी 1045, है ना. चेक कर लो आप अपनी तरीके से. सो टोटल 89 टर्म्स आर देयर, है ना. पेयर ऑफ 44 पेयर्स ऑफ 2 एंड 1 remaining term will be 1045. So now here first pair, converting this 10 into quad, so I am writing this tan 1 as a tan 90 minus 89, so it's a tan 1 into tan 89. This tan 2 as a tan 90 minus 88 into tan 88. That tan 3 as a tan 90 minus 87 into tan 87 into, और ये मल्टीप्लाई करके यहाँ तक tan 44 as a tan 90 minus 46 into tan 46, and tan 45 is 1. So this is equal to tan 90 minus 89, so it's a tan 1, but 90 minus angle will be, we can say it's a complement of angle, so tan will convert it into cot, so it's a cot 89 into tan 89. तो यहाँ पर हम सब पेयर मिलेगी कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंगल की, सो इट्स अ cot 88 into tan 88, cot 87 into tan 87. Last term, that will be tan cot 46 into tan 46 और लास्ट में मल्टीप्लिकेशन में 1. So all these pair are reciprocal of each other. Cot and tan are reciprocal of each other, है ना. So it's 89, it's 88, 87. So all their multiplication is 1. So it's a 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Total 45. 1 multiplication are there. It's a 1. So that is our right hand side. That you have to prove. Clear? So pause the video and note it down. Here we are given cos 70 upon sin 20. We know that this cos and sin are complement of each other. That means either you can convert this cos into sin or this sin into cos. So we will consider this cos 1. So first we are writing this cos 70. 70 is nothing but the 90 minus 20. 90 minus 20, 70. And this sin 20 as it is. Plus, now again this cos and cosec, convert this cos into sin. So sin and cosec are reciprocal of each other. Or convert this cosec into sec. Sec and cos are reciprocal of each other. So taking this cos, so cos 55 is nothing but the 90 minus 35, and this one is cosec 35 upon combining this tan phi and tan 85. So taking this tan phi as a tan 90 minus phi. Tan 90 minus phi is tan 90 minus phi. Tan 90 minus 85. Tan 90 minus 85 is tan phi, and multiply it tan 85. Taking the pair of these two ratios. Done. And take the pair of these two ratios, these two, tan 25 and tan 65. So this one is tan 25 is 90 minus 65 into tan 65, and इसको एक्सटेंड करो थोड़ा आगे, into tan 45 as it is. Done. Now put the values. Cos 90 minus 70. So it's a complement of cos. So it's a sin 20 upon sin 20 plus cos 90 minus 35. So cos 90 minus 35, you have to put complement of this cos, which is sin 35 into cosec 35. This sin and cosec are reciprocal of each other, upon divide by tan 90 minus 85. So complement of tan is cot 85 into tan 85. So tan 85 and cot 85 are reciprocal of each other. Again complement of tan 90 minus 65. So complement of tan is cot 65 into tan 65, which is reciprocal of cot, into tan 45 1. So again these are the multiplication of two reciprocals. These two are reciprocals, these two are reciprocals. So their multiplication is 1. So sin 20 cut. So 1 plus numerator is 1. This is 1, 1 and 1. 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1. 1 upon 1 is the 1. So 1 plus 1 is the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Done. So this is how you can solve your question number 5. Pause the video and note it down, and then I will rough that part of sum. करो pause, है ना. लिखते रहो साथ में, है ना. जैसे मूवी देखते हो वैसे सोफा पर बैठे बैठे ऐसे डायरेक्ट नहीं देखना है ना. साथ में नोटबुक रखना है, सॉल्व करते रहना है खुद से. Now question number 6. Again this sin and cos, same logic will be there. Here we will convert this sin into cos. So first we will write this sin 18 as a 18 कैसे होगा, subtracting 72 from 90. So 90 minus 72 is 18, sin 18 divide by cos 72 plus root 3. Now writing this 10 and 1080 in a pair. So writing this 10 as a 10 90 minus 80. 10 90 minus 80 is 10 and this one is 1080. इन दोनों को साथ में ले लिया. अभी 30 को छोड़ो, इन दोनों को साथ में रखो, है ना. इंटू 1030 एज इट इज, इंटू राइटिंग दिस 1040 एज ए 1090 minus 50. 1090 minus 50 is 1040 एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन में 1050. तो इसका एक पेयर हो गया. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू साइन 90 minus 72. So complement of sine is cos 72 upon cos 72 plus this one is root 3. Here complement of 10 cot 80 into 1080 into 1030 into 1090 minus 50. Again complement of 10 is cot 50 into 1050. Again this brackets cot and 10 are reciprocal of each other. 10 and cot are reciprocal of each other. Then multiplication is 1. This one is cut 1 plus root 3. This one is 1. 1030 1 upon root 3 into this is 1. Root 3 cut, it's a 1 plus 1 again, 1 plus 1 again, 1 2. Clear? Pause the video and note it down. 7. Prove that. So we are given left hand side which is 10 90 minus a into cot a upon cos x square a minus cos square a. This is equal to, you have to prove 0. So this one is 10 90 minus a. So if we are subtracting theta from 90, we are getting the complement of 10. So complement of 10 is cot a. Cot a into cot a upon cos x square a minus cos square a. Cot a into cot a, cot square a, cot square a upon cos x square a minus cos square a. Now we will replace this cot with cos and sine. So what is cot? It's a cos square a upon sine square a. Cos square a upon sine square a upon 1 upon cos x square is 1 upon sine square a. So sine square a upon 1 minus cos square a. रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ cos x square is sin square है, तो sin square ऊपर जाएगा और cot square होगा cos square a upon sin square a. This sin square is cut. So this is equal to cos square a minus cos square a. Cos square a minus cos square a is 0. This is equal to our required right hand side. Hence it is proved. Done. So now question number 8. Let's proceed towards next question without wasting our time. Cos 90 minus a. So complement of cos is sine. So it's a sine a into sine 90 minus a. Complement of sine is cos. So it's a cos a upon 10 90 minus a. Complement of 10 which is cot a. We have to derive a sine square a, that is our right hand side. Sine a, numerator as it is sine a into cos a upon cot a. Cot a is cos a upon sine a. So sin A is the denominator of denominator, it will go into numerator. Cos A cut. So this one is sin A into sin A. So what is sin A into sin A? Sin square A. Sin square A, that is our required right hand side. Done. So this is how you can prove your question number 8. Pause the video and note it down. Now question number 9. For triangle ABC, prove that two results are there. Tan A plus C by 2 equal to cot B by 2 and cos B plus C by 2 equal to sin A by 2. So you have to prove this result for triangle ABC, and A, B and C are the angles of triangle. So now we know the angle sum property of triangle. So for triangle ABC, we know that A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Sum of all the angles, sum of measure of all the angle of triangle is 180 degree. Now we require A plus C. So taking this B on the right hand side. So it's A plus C equal to 180 degree minus B. Then we require 2 on divided by 2. A plus C by 2. So here dividing on both sides by 2. Dividing on both sides. Dividing on both sides by 2. So here we are getting A plus C by 2 equal to 180 minus B by 2. Then we require 10. So taking 10, so it's a 10 A plus C by 2 equal to 10, and this will be 90 minus B by 2. So here it's a 10 A plus C by 2 equal to 10 90 minus B by 2. So it's a complement of 10 cot B by 2. So that you have to prove. Done. Similarly, you have to prove this second result by yourself. Done. It's a B plus C by 2 equal to sin A by 2. So you take B plus C equal to 80 minus A and then divide it by 2 and then take cos on both sides. Done. So try that second result by yourself. Derive it. So now sec 4A, we are given that sec 4A equal to cosec A minus 20, where 4A is measure of one acute angle and you have to find the value of that A. So we know that complement of this sec is cosec. So this one is cosec 90 minus 4A. Cosec 90 minus 4A is cosec A minus 20 है ना. cosec को 90 में से कन्वर्ट करो, subtract करो, so we are getting the complement of cosec. Cosec complement of cosec is sec, so it's a sec 4A. So these are the measure, or you can say trigonometric ratio of cosec, and both are equal, so their angles must be equal. So comparing these angles, we can write 90 minus 4A equal to A minus 20. This is one linear equation. Solve for it to obtain the value of A, taking minus 20 on the left hand side. So it's 90 plus 20 equal to A plus 4A. So 110 equal to 5A. So A will be 110 by 5. So value of A is 22. Done. So 22 degree, where A is acute angle. Question is find the value of A. So A is acute angle and whose measure is 22 degree. Done. So pause the video, share this video with your friends and do more and more practice. Thank you.